It is a great honor and a sincere pleasure to welcome you today as we celebrate the National Day of the Hellenic Republic. A defining moment in our history when a people determined to live in freedom rose to reclaim its sovereignty and dignity. The Greek struggle was not a national cause, but part of a broader fight for freedom and human dignity. Today, Greece is not only a destination of unparalleled cultural heritage and natural beauty. It is also a hub of connectivity, a getaway between continents, and a contributor to regional stability. This year, our commemoration carries a particular historical weight as we mark 200 years since one of the most dramatic and symbolic episodes of that struggle, the Exodus of Messaloniki. Yet, our National Day is not only about the past, it is about continuity, about how history shapes responsibility and how identity informs our contribution to today's world. Greece stands today as a modern European democracy, a committed member of the European Union, and a reliable partner in a complex and rapidly evolving international environment. The friendship between Greece and Luxembourg is grounded in shared convictions, respect for the rule of law, solidarity, and commitment to multilateralism. The Greek community here in Luxembourg, though modest in number, is vibrant and deeply integrated, serving as a bridge between our two nations. Let us continue to work together as partners, as Europeans, as friends, for a future that is peaceful, prosperous, and sustainable.